Alright, I'm about to go in X Games mode.
Oh,
map change.
esports ready. Okay, okay. I'm about to use my super in this game in real life. It's gonna be amazing.
Love it.
Enough lambing around. We dropping.
All right, game on. Did anyone come with us, by the way?
I think they might have. Someone's throwing an arc star. Yep, yeah.
Okay.
Got one guy down.
Oh, you're insane.
Recharging my shields.
Reloading.
Down one.
Reloading. Kill confirmed.
Throwing thermite grenade. Just giving my shields a recharge.
I do want to recharge my
Yeah.
shield, but
Here you go, right here.
Air drone if you need it.
yeah, I actually just picked up that. Oh yes, feeling good. Dude, that guy almost punched me to death.
There's a guy in here.
Yeah, probably grabbing the banner of his teammate.
Last one.
Yeah, I got him.
Boom,
Oh,
boom.
nice.
Nice work. You're good.
Nice, nice, nice. This is the
I need
guy I
some-
killed.
I need some shields. There we go. All set.
Nice.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
Oh, I see a purple thing. I don't know what it is.
I think our teammate just got shot at.
Uh-oh. Alright, well, good work, everybody. 2 kills so far.
You got 2? Nice.
No, I mean, I think you got one and I got one, right?
I have 2.
Oh, so we have 3 kills. Excuse me. Sorry to rob you of a kill.
It's all good. You know, there's just so many of them.
Yeah, you know, it's just hard to keep track sometimes.
I tend to struggle. There's a blue shield over here.
Oh, yes. I haven't had a colored shield in some time.
I could use that.
I've only had the gray or clear.
Body shield here.
Thanks.
Level 1.
Do you want to go get that, buddy? He just doesn't want to. Where
It's
is it?
fine.
That's right here. Our guy just doesn't want to
He
heal.
doesn't want to
us,
have
I guess.
protection, yeah. He just wants to
Nope.
be risky.
Armor's overrated. You didn't know?
Yeah, I mean, armor's for scrubs, apparently.
1 minute. Rings nearby.
Okay, one just dropped.
Down a cargo bot.
Alright.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm getting shot from elsewhere.
45 seconds. Rings
Nice.
just up ahead. Last one.
Go.
This gun's not even fair.
Oscar Mike. I'm spotted.
I just got a nade thrown at
Not
me.
far from the ring. Half a minute. Reloading. Enemy down.
What is going on with this Lifeline's body?
I don't know. I finished it. Okay, he's creeping. Nice. Let's go.
Very good. We finish off the
Huge
whole
play.
squad.
The ring's close. 10 seconds. Using grapple.
Dude, we're insane.
Oh yeah.
Rings moving.
Oh, I need ammo, actually.
What kind of ammo do you need? I have a lot of.
The electrical kind.
Energy ammo. Got
Yeah.
it.
Cause like I
I
don't
do
know what
not.
this is.
I dropped some of it.
Okay, I picked up a little more from that body, so like I'm okay for probably like another engagement or so. Oh, I actually can come grab this
Yeah,
one.
I dropped. I think it's like 60, something like that.
Yeah, that's perfectly fine. Perfect. Okay, so this gun's interesting. You have to charge it up before you shoot. I
Yeah.
was like a little confused by that. But this is the gun I actually did probably my best like kill streak I team wiped with this gun once.
I was gonna say, I thought I saw a clip on your guys' Twitter.
Yeah. I just didn't know that this was the same gun until I just shot it.
Oh yeah. Alright, time to start moving, I guess. This has been a good one so far.
Yeah, pretty
I like this map a
energetic.
lot better, personally.
Yeah, I think this has been fun. I like the fact that we've had battles like the whole time as well.
See, like, the hot drops.
Yeah, I mean, not always, but like a good mixture. Like, you know, every now and again to have like a hot drop school.
Apparently I have to hit this twice with a hemlock. That's crazy.
Oh.
Took out a cargo bot.
Have you ever been to the vault?
Mm-mm.
Breathe easy.
Oh, we can go to the vaults if you want. Take a look at it.
Yeah, might as well.
Alright, we're gonna have to take this balloon.
Let's do it. I've never been
We're
in a
gonna
balloon.
fly. We're gonna fly towards this like big waterfall geyser thing,
Okay.
and then we're gonna jump in the waterfall and keep going over to this cave.
Explore this way.
Okay. I'm not gonna make it to the waterfall, I guess.
Yeah, you can just run it in.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, uh-oh.
Yeah, all you have to do is run to the like. If you just run straight to the center of the waterfall, it'll push you up in the air again.
Perfect. Woohoo! Yeah, I'm flying. All right. I think is this the vault?
Oh yeah, we're almost there. It's like right here,
Got a closed door here.
Ooh.
and it's got the best loot. Here, I'll wait to open it.
Okay. Definitely didn't get distracted looting a chest. Don't mind me. Sorry.
I'm gonna
Listen
give
up,
you the
got a
key. I'll
vault
let you
key
open
here.
it.
Oh. Feels so special.
Yeah,
Okay,
just so
here
you
we
get the
go.
full experience. Yeah, you have to pick that up first. It does take up a spot in your
Vault
inventory.
key secured. I'll
You have to
carry.
hold it.
Hacking it. I'm insane.
Vault unlocked. Let's sack it.
Boom.
Dun dun dun. Whoa, is this a gold backpack?
Yeah,
No, that thing
Oh, yeah.
existed. Oh my goodness.
yeah.
I'm-
The best loot ever is in here. It's crazy.
I don't even know what to say right now. Thank you.
So if you ever get a vault key, the locations show up on the map. And
Okay.
It'll show you if the vault is locked or unlocked. I think there's 3. There's one right here where we
something good
are.
this way.
There's one over here by Train Yard. And then there's one way down here
Let's
by
go
Lava
this
City.
way.
Okay. Dang, that's
Backpack
sick.
here. Level 3.
Oh, we're at the circles here. I guess we're really close, but still.
Yeah. I'm gonna call in my care package
Sounds good.
so it doesn't go to waste. Not like we really need anything right now. I feel like we got some pretty good stuff.
Next
We
ring's not
we have
close.
some great stuff, but hey, might as well see if we can get anything better at this point.
Yeah, my bet is maybe a purple armor. Yeah, purple armor
Body
for our
shield
teammate.
here. Level 3.
It's pretty often you get a purple armor out of those.
Okay. That's
Thanks.
pretty nice.
Oh yeah.
Is that like your super then? It's like whenever
Yeah.
it charges up? Okay.
And like, I don't know if you've taken like ultimate accelerants, but those boost your ultimate 35%. Like you take it, I think it takes
Oh.
like 8 seconds to take,
yeah.
and then
Okay.
you get 35% extra.
Nice. Well, there's only 8 squads left.
Yeah, I think you
7
should just run this to
minus
the
us.
ring.
Yeah. I like
Just
it.
follow like the edge of tracks the whole way.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Oh, or we can go fight these guys.
I like that as well.
I'm gonna stay high on the tracks.
Okay. Do their thing.
I knocked one.
Ooh. Theirs hurt me too.
I heard a zip line, so they might have moved to the building. Yeah, one moved to the top of this building.
There's another one
One
there.
right here. Knock that guy.
Nice. Okay, I was not shooting. Oh, I'm getting shot.
Sounds like there's someone over here.
Give me a sec. Recharging shield.
I think it's a different team that was coming in the back. I'm recharging real quick.
Cool.
Recharging my shields.
I'm gonna peek this fight. It just ended, so I want to get here before they heal.
Sounds good.
10 seconds. The ring's just ahead.
There's two
Reload.
teams here. I would not push this.
Enough, I'm getting shot.
Yeah, we should not do that.
I hit one for 19, but that's all I hit.
Recharging my
Yeah, watch your
shields.
right. Someone's gonna come out of this door. Oh boy.
Got another squad coming in. Rings moving.
Heard that.
Oh boy. So are we just running to the circle?
Yeah.
Taking fire.
Thermite grenade out.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
Care package incoming. Let's get to the LZ.
Yeah, there's actually a zip line over here that we can take to get across the lava, and we'll be in a good spot to hold everyone out.
Okay. I'm about it. I'm always so scared I'm gonna misclick and not hit it.
Yeah. That'll be no fun. Oh, our guys stayed behind. Okay. Bye, teammate. Love you.
Bye, you got this, I believe.
GG's.
Hostile spotted.
Have fun
Okay.
dying.
Yeah, they're moving left
Enemy
across the
over there.
bridge.
Shooting. Reloading. Big up to us.
Oh, we're not even in. I thought we were in.
Yeah, we're getting close.
Repairing.
Oh, I thought that tree was a person. I'm silly. Did our teammate die? Oh, I just got sniped from somewhere else.
Yeah, from the roof.
Give my shields a recharge.
Come on, Richard. Say hello.
Healing. Watch my back.
Okay. Healed up.
They're like right here on this
Enemy
corner.
spotted.
Yeah.
One's close though. Sounds like. I'm gonna try to get a left angle.
I am taking fire.
That Wraith is really hurt.
Reloading.
I know, I hit him a bunch.
Pathfinder up top's cracked.
I hit the other guy a bunch too, but there's two of them and they downed me.
I am down.
Alright, we clutch these, it's cool.
Rings
Alright,
down.
alright.
1 minute. Reloading. Enemy down. More enemies down. Setting shield. Healing ya.
Good call, good call.
5 seconds.
Insane! Did you just clutch that out?
Oh yeah, we win these.
Oh my
Just giving my
goodness.
shields a recharge.
Taking a move. Patching up.
Setting shield. You'll be alright. 30
Oh,
seconds.
another
Rings
team?
close.
Far?
Thank you.
Yeah, try to grab one of the, like, smoke the boxes, you can grab a fresh armor.
Oh, that hurt a lot.
I have a heal drone, hit your shield.
Okay. 4.
Reload.
No!
No, dude, use the mega shield, you silly.
The ring is fairly close. I have been.
Enemy down.
I have one on me.
Okay. Nice, let's go.
Another enemy
Last
down.
squad.
That was the last of them. Another
Oh, I'm gonna heal my guy, or our guy.
I don't know if we have.
You hear
Okay, yeah. Give it a shot, why not?
I'm doing it.
You got this.
Run, teammate.
Run, straight line. I hope it doesn't. Oh, wait, you have a gold bag, too. That's huge. So the gold backpack you revive with half health.
Okay. Nice. I'm
What's
about
up, Donnie?
Donnie!
Donnie's in the chat.
Yeah, Donnie!
Peanut Butter Ninja, thank you for the follow. Sorry, I know I haven't been caught up on chat. Things got a
know,
little hectic.
We were, I can't believe you clutched out that one, and then just a wild event.
Oh yeah. I need some ammo. Holy cow! I'm almost out of both.
Oh, I do too. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize how low I was. Oh, that's
I'm
tough.
repairing myself.
That is tough.
Care package
I'm
over
gonna
there.
go for this drop to try to get a weapon out of it. And
Yeah,
maybe I can drop all of one of my kinds of ammo. What do you have?
I have
Oh,
the
you have
energy.
sniper and energy. I have neither of those.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Dude, I like have 30 some shots, 37.
Donnie, we're always running it. You know how we do it. Yep, Kraber. We do it for the content.
Heck yeah.
Grappling.
Oh, up
Enemy
here.
over there.
He's so done. Peek.
Is it just one?
I hit the Pathfinder 152. Oh, you can't Gibby bubble there.
Oh, he
silly.
jumped down. He jumped down.
I don't think he realizes I can shoot underneath the Gibby bubble. I want to get
One
a trick
grab-
shot for Twitter. Uh-oh, that's a devotion. That gun's insane.
I need heal.
Don't touch my boys.
Enemy down.
Both ammos you need are in this truck with me, for the record.
Finish one.
Tango killed.
I only have 5 bullets. Okay, I'm coming to grab my thing for
Yeah.
ammo.
There's heavy and energy in here. Or, sorry, sniper and energy. I wonder if I can get a frag grenade up there.
Shoot, where is that at again?
If you climb up to the top car,
This way.
there's also energy down here.
Okay.
I just got my first light mag of the game. That's
I'm gonna
crazy.
heal because I'm actually hurt. I just realized.
Yeah, you're good. We have a 3-on-2 now.
Taking
So
a knee. Patching up.
once I figure out a way to get an angle on these guys with this. Alright, hit Gibby for 145.
Okay.
Give me a
I'm
second. Recharging shields.
shield charging.
123 on him. He's almost dead.
Advantage.
Reload.
Where are they at?
They're in the top right car, that one right there. Yeah, he bubbled it. These guys are not making things easy. I'm actually gonna go up the other side so I can try to just get a couple headshots. Just shooting at me!
Already on my mark. Firing for effect.
I'm gonna see if one of my missiles lands on there.
Can I shoot through the windows? I don't think I can. I don't think so.
The map says not all of us are inside the next ring.
Yeah, I can't shoot through windows up here.
So
can do
unfortunate. We're
this,
so
though.
close. Nice nade.
Yeah, I'm burning them a lot.
I'm getting shot at.
It's not a person. Lol. Our
Oh,
teammate
our
got
teammate's
patient.
up in it. He's up in there.
No, that was
Yeah.
dumb. That was dumb,
not a
dude.
very good idea.
And me now.
He's gonna really wish he didn't do that.
Yeah, we really did not need to push that.
Yeah, these guys are so scared. And this guy wants to keep peeking. Oh, I'm so bad. The thumbs don't work.
I should have hit that guy too. I like I can
Pathfinder's
see
not peeking
them.
at all. I have 2 shots left in the sniper. I'm
Dude, I
so
should have hit that
bad.
again.
I'm spotted. Taking fire.
Where's that other
Did
guy
one
we
just-
got? I need that devotion. I dropped. So I only have 1 shot left. So I need to grab my
I hit him for 47.
In progress.
Okay, well I just got everything I needed. So these guys are in trouble.
Okay, they're about to drop.
Spotted. Taking fire.
I think they're actually good up there. Did they drop?
No, they're like he's sitting on the outside though.
Yeah,
got hit a
I
little
actually
bit.
Can't take the
Oh, I'm
devotion.
actually not in. Oops. Fine.
Taking a knee. Patching up.
This guy says I have a sniper. I don't think that's gonna help us in this situation.
Yeah, not really.
These guys really like that high ground.
They sure do. Ah, got hit again. Okay, it's fine.
Give my shields a recharge.
Man, this is tough.
I think they have no idea I'm here.
They absolutely do not know you're there.
I know, I might just like surprise them.
I just got a scope. That's really helpful.
Alright, I'm above them.
Dude, one's dropping down.
Alright, I'm gonna 1v1 this guy.
Come back up. I hit him a bunch. 27, and then 15.
Oh.
Shot down.
Trying to get an angle to help. Nice, let's go, dude.
We win him. Alright, Donnie. I know, I missed the Kraber shot. Donnie's let me have it in the chat. I think I may or may not have 18 kills.
18?
I think I might have had 18. I'm not sure.
Oh my gosh. I got 3, 2,
17.
3.
Oh, 3K.
Oh
Let's
my
go.
gosh, 17 kills. He's a madman.